All right, guys, here we go. We're going to be taking a look at the DXY US dollar currency index and to show you how close we were today for a near-term reversal in the stock market and how they avoided that. And it seems like the DXY right now is the golden child, the favorite asset of Wall Street or the powers to be, whatever. They keep supporting and helping this thing. And basically, if I can remember off the top of my head, it's six, currencies that comprise the U.S. dollar index. It's the euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Canadian dollar, the Swedish, whatever they call it, krona, I think, and the Swiss franc. And basically, I guess it's measured on how well or how strong we are against those other currencies. But we started off this morning, and we had sent this to our Patreon group. It was a potential M formation where you go up, come down, obviously making an M. And this was the main candle right here, the culprit, or the one that could have, turned everything around. This candle right here. And as you can see, on an M formation, when you take out that next low pivot, so you had a low pivot here, run up anyway. If we were to have taken that out where that blue dash line is, and let me take that out just to clear it up a little bit. If we had closed under there and then got confirmation, we probably could have turned green today on the, up positive today on the, SP 500, SPY, etc. Anyways, you can see the powers to be came in miraculously and bought it up. And then we had a reversal candle, and right now we're just hovering here. Now, I'll just leave it at that. There's a little technical situation going on here that we teach our Patreon members, and that's why it's having difficulty coming back up over that range. But if it's not able to do that, we might get a continued, downside pressure and maybe break this zone right here. But time will tell. Well, that's why we're wicking up, and then we're just kind of gradually pushing against that resistance zone. And it's a measured move that we teach our Patreon members in order to either be more bullish or more bearish once that level is broken. But anyway, and corresponding to the S&P. This is the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. And here we were on that big, that's that candle that was showing the hourly chart, and the DXY was coming down. Here we go up. And then, as you can see, the DXY was being bought up, and then the SPY rolled over. And that shadowed area, yellow area, is our gap fill. So we filled that. We were hoping that would be support, but the dollar kept getting a little bit stronger. But even though this is a 5-minute chart, as you can see here, it closed up and over a key support area at that blue dash line on the daily chart. But all right, guys, have a great one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.